Hello, I'm Lucas Rule, and I'm from Embry Worldwide. I am currently working as a manufacturer at Whitney Blake to further my career as an industrial engineer. I have decided to go that route as it was very interesting for me to learn how all the machines work. I watched a wire spool traverse work, and I thought that was the most interesting mechanism to watch, as it would use a worm gear to move itself back and forth, and it really kind of, like, oh wow, this is some cool mechanical machines. I should go down this route. I could be good at it. And I have helped repair and made some changes to the machines to make them a little bit more efficient. But yeah, industrial engineering was one of those fields I didn't really think of. I was originally going to become an aerospace engineer, changed down to just regular engineering from Embry. Was going to do something mechanical maybe when I graduated from Duncan, or finished Duncan after 4 years of working there, but things changed. So I'm initially from Florida. I would live there till I was 12 years old. I was very, very good at math, actually to the point where they put me in a separate room to take the same test in front of two teachers because they didn't believe I was doing it mentally. Yeah, that ended up very interesting in high school, with a teacher accusing me of cheating and almost failing me for doing my math. Another thing is, I picked this university as I'm very quick. I like pictures, and the online university was very good for that. Embry was actually the most efficient way to get the degree. You could go on, do your 10, 20 hours of work a week, learn something, bring it back to work to demonstrate to the other engineers that you learned something and move up without having to sit in class or deal with lectures or all the extra stuff that comes with normal college. And another thing is, I'm very interested in photography. That was my other thing I like to do. I like to take pictures of things. I'm very good with angles. Sometimes take pictures of my car is a good reference. Noticing the low angles were better for the car to make it look more powerful in its stance. Another thing, I'm also an Eagle Scout. If y'all know what that is, it is a very difficult award to get. Only around 4% of scouts have actually earned Eagle Scout, mostly because of the merit badge difficulty in the 600 pages of merit badge work you have to do to become an Eagle Scout. It was very difficult, and I've helped other scouts become Eagle Scouts too, and attended to some of their Eagle ceremonies. It was pretty cool to watch them become an Eagle Scout. And for my last minute of my presentation, I'm also going to mention the fact that I was in Civil Air Patrol. Now, most of you don't know what that is. It's basically the Air Force Auxiliary, and they prepare you to join the Air Force, and they'll teach you the core values, how to march and drill, the 7 basic responses, all the stuff you need to know to be successful in the Air Force. And I thought it was a cool program to join. I made it all the way to Engr, and then I'm still eligible to take this FATS test, but I'm waiting out on that until summer since work and school won't be running together. And that is all for my presentation. Hope you liked it. Have a good day.